Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hmm, I think I should go back to play this stuff. Well, it doesn't seem to be playing. I don't know if it is actually playing. Hmm, I don't know. It's playing. Anyways, anyways, anyways. So here is Monday. I'm beginning of a beautiful, glorious, peaceful, profitable, successful week of trading. And I'm hoping that we'll be among those that will chop pips. If you're among those that will be chopping pips, you know, today is so quiet, so slow. After the coronation in the UK of King Charles III, a lot of us are of the assumption that the market most likely take off, but the reverse seems to be the case, at least in the London session. Nothing seems to be volatile. The market is so quiet. The momentum is slow. It's so too slow. Well, I have a trade running. I took this by I took this by where is it? I took this. Sorry, let me fix something. Let me fix something. Aha. Mr. Sunny, you are here. Okay. Glad to Sunny, you are here. Okay, so I was saying that actually took a search, a buy trade on gold. Sunny, can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, just type yes on the chat. So I can be sure you are actually hearing what I'm saying. Hmm? Okay. Okay, so like I was saying, I took a buy on this based on now. This is the reason why I took that buy. You can see there are inflection areas here from last week. Okay. You can see there are inflection points from last week. Let me mark them out for you to see. Okay. One touch, two touch. Okay. Point A, point B. Okay. Because we ended this week, there's a break of that touch. Boom. And then we're expecting that to, well, I don't know, but I just hope it will fly. Basically, probably to this breakout retest area. Why is it a breakout retest area? Look at it. You just look at it. Just look. Just look. Boom. This is not a break or a retest. Okay. Inflection. Break of inflection. A retest of inflection. And then it will go anywhere. Probably come back then. After testing 2030, 2035 zone. Please, Mr. Sandy, are you here? Can you hear me, please? I need to be sure I am not talking to, I just want to be sure that everybody is hearing me. I want to be sure that everyone is, we're on the same page on this. But today I won't be talking so much about Forex because every time before us. Every time be what? Forex. So I just want us to talk. And like, because Like I say, nobody will even talk for you. I just see Sandy here and somebody is not even working intercept. Who be that? Who be this woman? Who be this woman? Somebody entered here. Somebody entered. Please, can you just unmute yourself and just say something? Let me be sure. Can you all hear me, please? Can you all hear me, please? Oh boy. So we did this for the whole of this year. I just hope I have the strength to go on with this every 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine? When some people see they sleep and I'll be here talking for the next 30 minutes every day for the whole of this year. Well, God will give me the strength and the ability, the wisdom to know what to say at the right time to the right people for the right information that will give the right knowledge, that will provide the right incentive for the right. But now, let's see me the rhyme, I beg. Forex is a sweet thing to do. One thing that has been, making the forex market to be looked down upon as a scammy environment is because of the high rate of failure. You understand? The high rate of failure is so high and massive that people are looking at the market as a concern. You understand? But I come to realize over several years of my involvement in this business that the failure rate in the market is the same thing in every business venture. Oh, my internet connection is bad out there. Okay, I now know why. Since I am talking to myself and nobody is hearing me, I guess I know why now. Ah, what is this? Anyway, what was I saying? Okay, I was talking about the failure rate, right? But honestly, I am talking to myself. I want to have that sense. I want to have that sense of understanding that you are hearing me. I want to know you are hearing me. I want to know if you are hearing me, please. I want to know if you are hearing me. To know if you are hearing me. Sunny, I'm sending you a message to know. I want you to reply so I can be certain that we are flowing. Okay? All right. So, like I said, market the failure rate in other business ventures is also high, just that it's not been recorded. Statistically recorded. And that's the reason why a lot of folks are saying it as if the foreign market has a higher failure rate. But no, that is not the case. That's not the case at all. There are there are failure rates in every business, and there are also success rates in every business. But one thing I want to delve so much on in the forest is that a lot of people want to make it so quick, so fast. And that tend to choke them. They don't involve in the most prudent and conventional methods or principles of engagement. The fallout of managing risks and managing money, and before you know it, all the funds they invest with is burnt out, and they are also burnt out in they get weary, disappointed, and they fall off. Okay, in most cases, including myself. So I will use myself as a case study. But after observing all the psychological melodramas over these years, I now get to the conclusion that look, it is worth doing, it's worth investing one's funds in, but it has to be done the right and proper way. Now, the right and proper way is not overexposing your funds to the markets. You know why? Good, because this is a market that is based on speculation. You get that? It is a market that is based on speculation of whether there will be more bulls or more bears. You don't know. Nobody knows. So, if this is an issue of probability, will you stake all of your life into something that is probable? No. So you employ wisdom. That is what most 90% of forex traders lack, wisdom. Because we are dealing with a situation of probability. There is no guarantee. It's not a prediction. And so because it is not a prediction, it is not something that is certain, then it is a 50-50 chance. And so because you know it is a 50-50 chance, you now have to, apply like I said, wisdom. You don't need to put all of your funds. Just put a certain percentage, and then you gauge the risk that is involved in that. And that is where stop loss comes into play. Okay, you can see the trade now has a stop loss. If this thing waka pass this place now, he hit and that is the end of it. I know, say I don't do well for this one. I move on. I look for another opportunity. Okay. I keep hitting. I just kept hitting. The one I lose, the one I win. No, I gather all of the insurance body. At one point, I will realize that my wins will be more than my losses if I'm doing the right thing that I'm supposed to be doing. You get a point? So it's not about dumping all of your funds in the market and then expecting to make headway in one day. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way, my brother. Okay, it doesn't work that way. If it is done that way, I'm sure people like the Aliko Dangotes of this will carry all of their billions of dollars and dump into the market one day and expect to make trillions of dollars. They themselves don't know the direction of the market. They don't. Nobody knows. We're in a field that is probabilistic. Okay? Is there any English like that? Probabilistic. Okay. Well, so either it goes up or it comes down. That is what it is. So the earlier, the quicker we understand this concept, the better for us. You see, like for example, you go see person go enter market, carry like $100, put for market, put one standard lot. Which if the market move against you by 10 pips, that money don't work out with that. But somebody will still be headstrong enough to put them to go ahead and execute that kind of trade. That is pure madness. That is utter madness. I mean, who does such thing? 10 pips and you're out of it. And you don't even know the direction where the market they go because you see some double tops, double bottom, you see a break of inflection point because you see that your EMA, your moving average is doing this, is doing that, because you see divergence on your RSI, because of this, because of that, because you see Fibonacci, they give you a golden zone. So you say, boy, this is 100%. No, sir. No, man. No, it is not. There is no certainty in this in this field. It's not a certainty at all. Okay. I want to give you room to ask questions. Like I told you earlier, today, no before forest disc. I don't even know I get at the talk like this. Today, no be really to talk forest, not just to yarn about life generally. But from tomorrow, we will delve into the basics of forest for those who are coming in new. Then we will look for how we can look for trading setups to get entries on. Okay. We'll be touching base on forex fundamentals, the technicalities of trading, for the psychology of trading, constructing a unique trading strategy or system, modeling a good and personal risk management model. Yeah, within the next 6 months, we should be able to cover a great deal of this. And also, yeah, like before I forget this, I want us to also, I will be talking about proprietary funding firms that is making that is the in thing now. That thing that the in thing now. You have no excuse not to make money this year and next year by the grace of God. You have none excuse. ProFarm has really helped. So I will talk in depth about ProFarm, how to buy ProFarm, pro what? Pro fund, pro fund. Okay, how to get funds from pro firms. Yeah, I think that's basically what I want to say. How to get funds from pro firms. Okay, and all that. That should be from tomorrow and onwards. Okay. So thank you so much for sticking around with me, just me ranting, and then I don't know, maybe probably making a mess of myself because I couldn't hear any one of you talking back. So see you all guys. See you guys tomorrow. Usual time, 8 a.m. And we'll be unraveling a whole lot of things. We'll be collaborating on a whole lot of things. Okay, because they say iron sharpened iron. Okay, idea where I go carry come, you carry your own come, when you mix them together, and there's definitely going to be a fire. Fire. It's going to be a firecracker. Yeah. So thank you so much. God bless you. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.